No, you don't always need to have your drawings reviewed and prepared by a registered designer with a BCIN in the province of Ontario. Hi, it's Jerry here from Askkit Architekurl Studiio to help you realize your dream renovation, addition, garage, shed, or new dwelling. Most homeowners planning or looking to complete a renovation, addition, or new single-family residence or small accessory building to their residential property as homeowners can complete and submit their building permit without a BCIN. Homeowners willing to invest a little time and effort to complete their permit drawings and specifications can create significant savings that may be better used to augment their construction costs. While many building departments, inspectors, and contractors may push you to seek a professional for a BCIN, homeowners should realize this is not always needed. Digital building codes, reference materials, and paid support services on an as-needed basis can make most home renovations easy to the homeowner, particularly for a new single-family home, accessory building, or a renovation without the engagement of a BCIN designer. Most homeowners and new prospective homeowners have limited ways to counteract effects of construction market increases and economic cost of housing and construction. If you are willing to invest some of your time and patience and complete some investigation, you too can realize considerable savings in the preparation and planning of your construction projects. Trust me, there is nothing more gratifying than to have designed and received approval to construct your next dream. If you're a homeowner looking to realize some cost savings, you may want to see my next set of videos to see what is needed in a step-by-step process to completing a successful set of residential building permit drawings. Let's be clear here. As a homeowner, you are permitted under the Ontario Building Code to be exempt from a BCIN to submit your own permitted drawings for construction. The Ontario Building Code, in short, states the homeowners themselves are exempt from the requirements to have a BCIN number. If their design activities relate only to the construction of a detached house, semi-detached house, townhouse, or row house owned by that person and containing not more than 2 dwelling units in the house, you are permitted to submit. An owner is permitted to design an ancillary building such as a garage or shed that serves the house without a BCIN number. In my upcoming videos and design series, you will find my cheat sheets on design document creation and information resources to help you develop your design and your residential project. Remember to hit the subscribe button below and to hit the like button. You can also check out my Askkit Architekurl Studiio on my YouTube channel. I truly hope that I can help you bring some relief and cost savings to your next dream renovation or house project.